So today we're going to do something called graph paper programming, and we're going to start off with a little bit of vocabulary. So we have been talking about an algorithm this semester a little bit off and on. An algorithm is simply a list of steps that you can follow to finish a task. Today we're going to be writing a program for a robot or a friend to follow and reveal a secret hidden drawing. And then an algorithm is just a list of steps, and then the program is an algorithm that's been coded. So, in order for a machine or a computer to understand an algorithm, it has to be in computer code. And when it's written in computer code, it's called a program. Again, an algorithm that has been coded into something that can be run by a machine is called a program. An algorithm is just a list of steps. And then code is one or more commands or an algorithm designed to be carried out by a computer. So a program is written in code. We're going to skip over that one. So today we're going to guide each other towards making a drawing, a secret drawing, without letting our classmates see the original image. So you are going to pick from 6 different images, and you're going to write a program written in code that then someone could decipher, kind of like a secret code. Someone could decipher and discover which image you had drawn. So imagine we had a robot. If we were programming a robot, we'd use these directions below to create the simple 2 black squares. So we're always going to start in the star. And my program over here on the right, or this is an algorithm because it's not coded yet, it's just in English. So I'm going to say move 1 square left, move 1 square right, move 1 square left, move 1 square up, move 1 square down, fill in with color. These are our options. Obviously, these 5 commands here don't make that picture. Let's look on the next slide to see the algorithm that we could write for this picture. So we have 2 here. If I was going to fill in this square, I'd say move 1 square right, fill square in with color, move 1 square right again, move 1 square down, fill in with color. So these 5 commands on the bottom create this simple picture. And again, it's not a program because it's not in code, it's just an algorithm. It's a set of directions. On the right, we said that's simple enough, but it would take a lot of writing to provide instructions for a square like this. Look at all these different squares, all these different instructions, plus 12 more. So we're going to simplify this, and instead of using all these move 1 square right, fill in square with color, that would be like a whole essay to make this drawing. We are going to use code. With one little substitution, we can do this much more easily. Instead of having to write out an entire phrase, 4 words for every step, we can use arrows. So this is obviously turn right, turn left, go up, go down, fill in with color. So this algorithm, move 1 square right, move 1 square right, fill square in with color, could correspond to this program. Right arrow, fill in with color. So we're going to be writing a code, a program on the bottom that's coded to uncover a secret drawing. So this is the programming key that you can choose in. We're not going to use change to next color. Maybe if you want to do that for your 3rd drawing as a challenge, you can, but this is the key that we're going to use to create our programs. This would obviously be right, fill in with color. So if instead of doing that set of 24 different directions, this right here could be programmed. We're always starting with the star to be right, fill in, right, fill in. And again, we're following this we're going all across the top. And then we're going to the second line, starting here, just like when you read a book, all the way across. And then you're starting here, moving all the way across. So we always start on the left. We don't start like in a maze. We always start on the left, just like we're reading a paragraph. So today, you're going to program your own.